is Jangam. Guess who I am? Today I am caterpillar and small insect that hatched from egg. I live on tree. I eat leaves for food. Then I form a cocoon where I sleep for long time. Inside the cocoon, I start to taste. When I come out of the cocoon, I turn into beautiful butterfly. Now I am butterfly.
छान छान छान
Process is called life cycle of butterfly. So my dear friend, I request you, save trees for me and save me. Thank you.
Very nice.